Assalamualaikum and good morning to teachers and friends. Today, we, Group 1 from GKM5C, will be presenting about our report on Malaysian Oil and Gas Exhibition Service and Conference. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce my teammates, which is Muhammad Aiza Iqbal, Muhammad Zulfaka, me, Muhammad Taufik, Kishnaidu, and Nurul Husna. During 13th and 15th September of 2022, Oil and Gas Asia, also known as OGA, with Petronas as a corporate partner incorporating the 6th edition of Malaysia Oil and Gas Service Exhibition and Conference at Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre. In this event, they had gathered more than 20,000 trade and professional visitors from Malaysia and international oil and gas industry, and more than 1,000 participating companies from 13 nations represented at the event. During this time, Polytechnic Ungku Omar had sent some of the students to visit the exhibition to gain experience and to gain insight on how the oil and gas industry works, as the exhibition becomes a source to the latest machinery, products, and technologies.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izzat Iqbal bin Sa'i. My matrix number is 01DKM20F1075. And I will present about the company. The company is Powata. The profile. Powata Corporation is a service company which provides multitude of service with high standard of multidisciplinary engineering. This corporation are a local Malaysian mechanical companies with offices and workshops nationwide in Malaysia Peninsula, which is Sabah, Sarawak, India, Thailand and the Middle East. Powata is a registered Petronas and Shell contractor with over 22 years of construction experience serving various industries such as oil and gas, petrochemical, power generation and liquefied natural gas sector. Vision in Powata is to be a major player in their area of specialty and a leading turnkey system provider for the oil and gas, power, petrochemical, renewable energy and biotechnology industries across the globe. With this, their mission is to ensure complete client satisfaction through continuous improvement on quality, safety and deliverable. Their mission is also to provide sound and cost-effective engineering solutions whilst constantly seeking alternative measures and solutions to best suit their client need. Name of personnel. Powata have 7 parts in this company. So the first, Powata Corporation. Second, E&C. Third, E&I. Fourth, Contract and Commercial Management. Fifth, plant maintenance. 6. 3D metal printers. And the last, environmental. During our visit at the Moxet, we went to visit the Powata booth, and the name of the person we get an interview is Muhammad Azmi Imran. The business development engineer had introduced us and gave us an explanation on what this corporation is specialized in and their upcoming project to expand that based in Saudi Arabia. Product and services. First, steel structure fabrication and erection works. Powata handling services in the areas of design, fabrication and erection of structured steel works for power plant, refineries, pharmaceutical plant and other industrial projects. The fabrication and installation of reinforced cement, concrete and steel structure work based on domestic and international standards. One of the corporation division, Powata Engineering and Construction (E&C), the one handling the services, state out the efficiency and high quality in which they carry out in fabrication and erection of steel structure work has dictated their success in this field. So this figure, steel structure erection by Powata Corporation. Second, piping fabrication and installation. These services, which also conducted by the Powata E&C division, execute it by focusing on a key point during the fabrication process, which is the equipment layout, analysis on the pipe, routing and conducting clash check and stress analysis of high pressure temperature lines in the figure 2.6. Third, plant maintenance is handled by Powata Plant Maintenance (PPM). a division of Porata Corporation which providing a wide range of maintenance services for endo and production plants. The plant maintenance works and related services provided by the corporation are wide-ranging from maintenance for plant equipment to complete maintenance services for entire production plant in the LNG, oil and gas, petrochemical, power generation, and general industry sector. This division is a specialist in piping modification, stiffening, rectification, and piping and equipment turnaround works. So the figure 2.7. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zulfakar bin Ujani Ilyasudaini. Metric number is 101DKM20F1076. I will continue this slide, which is iSafe Mobile Company. iSafe Mobile Company, the profile. iSafe Mobile is one of the companies that attend the MOGSEC. This company mentioned themselves as a specialist in exploitation, proof, and assembly reselling mobile communication device, in which they develop the product and solution for communication in potentially explosive and professional industrial areas, whether it's chemical, petrochemical, petroleum processing, and other demanding branches of industry. Their mission is to remain a trusted, responsive, and flexible provider of mobile asset management solutions while establishing long-term strategic relationships with their partners and customers. They desire to design, develop, and distribute the most innovative integrated technologies that enhance communication and safety, and to connect and protect enterprises around the world. Two, the headquarters of iSafe Mobile is located in Lauda, Königshofen, Germany, and this company has operated for more than a decade. This company was founded on September 2011 and currently have distribution partners in 23 locations, one of which is the Roger Mobile Pty Ltd, which located in Singapore. This company have worked together with a global network of solution and sales partners to create the software for their hardware gadget. Some of the companies are integral solution which specialize in making software for marking, identifying, and tracking. Evora It Solution, which specialize in maintenance and customer service, and Digital Accelerator for digital workflow management. The name of personnel. This company is managed by Dick Aman, which is the Chief Technology Officer (CTO) of the company, Mati Ahaf, company's Chief Executive Officer (CEO), and Ludwig Fleckenstein, Chief Financial Officer (CFO) of the company. The names are as below, including the figure below. The next is, during our visit in MOGSEC, we were greeted by one of the personnel which gave a brief explanation on one of the products produced by the iSafe Mobile. The next slide is product and services. One is MP1. SMP is a handheld reader facilitates the uncomplicated and efficient reading of RFID/NFC text with different frequency range combination, which can be read directly on the OLED display, transmitted via Bluetooth or read out via USB. This device supports process optimization in the areas of maintenance, inventory, guard control system, and logistical processes in high or medium risk of explosive in explosive gas atmosphere. 2. IS 530.1. IS 530 is a high-performance industrial smartphone, can be used in a variety of ways due to its integrated service module ISM, which allows it to work with other additional modules from the company. This device, a protected communication device in potentially explosive atmosphere. 3 is TC1A.1. Thermal camera is TC1A.1 is an additional model for the industrial smartphones. IS530.1 detected temperatures in the EX hazardous area from negative 14 Celsius to 330 Celsius. In a second row, the SIG thermal app. The thermal image and videos are processed and documented directly to the interface of the IS530.1 smartphone.
Okay, good afternoon. Today I'm going to speak about Chero Piping. So Chero Piping is one of the companies that attend the Moxec. The company is specialized in manufacturing forged joint and fitting for piping. Now the company has developed into a multi-product specialist and solution provided to the oil and gas, onshore, offshore, chemical, petrochemical industries. Well, their vision is to be the world's leading providers for pipes, valves, fitting and solution to the oil and gas, chemical and petrochemical industries, in which Chero Piping is on a mission to supply top quality services and innovative solutions to their worldwide customers. This company is one of the oldest companies we have met during our visit to the Moxec. The manufacturing and head office of the office is in Piacenza, Italy, and it was founded in 1982. With experience more than 40 years, they have gradually expanded in Europe and abroad and able to take on big projects such as Yanbu Oil and Gas, so Elmerk Pipeline Construction and Borouge Petrochemical Plant. So below there shows figure 2.18 Elmark Pipeline Development. Now, the company has a research and development R&D team dedicated to support customizing products according to customers' criteria and in adherence with the strictest rule codes in matter of pressure piping components such as ANSI and ASME. Not only that, they have quality control implemented in which they have a testing area and perform experiment as a requirement for a company who wants to supply material with good mechanical properties. Mechanical tests, non-destructive experiments NDE and micrographic tests are done by the certified personnel with proper tools. Next is I'm going to talk about the name of the personnel. So Marcela Bellitti, the marketing and sales manager for Chero Piping, is one greeted us and provided us with some information on the company and their future project to expand their company to Malaysia. She gives us a brochure which in it explains the products that we manufactured by the company. And now I am going to talk about product and services. So first of all, it would be valves. Valves provided by Chero Piping have a broad range and available in a wide variety and materials such as ball valve and butterfly valve, which function as a quick shut off to gas and fluid. So the figure below shows the ball valve and butterfly valve manufactured by the Chero Piping. The second one would be a piping bulk. So Chero Piping manufactured a complete packages of pipes, fittings, flanges, valves, filters and strainers, gaskets, insulating materials, bolts and nuts for most diverse projects. So the figure below there shows flanges manufactured by Chero Piping. So next it would be forged fittings. Fittings for pipeline that manufactured by this company have a great stock availability of finished products in carbon. low temp, low alloys, and a stainless steel material. So the company claimed that the inventory of raw materials in grades such as duplex, super duplex, nickel, and nickel chrome alloys gives us the ability to provide flexible and quick services. So the figure below down there shows the variety of fitting forged by Chero Pipings.
I am Linux now, which is LPT. My lecture number is 31 Cam 2081079. I will continue the last slide. Here is the conclusion. For the last slide, the conclusion is during our trip to the mock site at Kuala Lumpur Convention Center, we have met with a few companies and industry specialized in many sectors in oil and gas. Besides the three companies that we have mentioned earlier, there are also a few others worth mentioning such as Centric Technologies Neighborhood. We specialize in fire protection such as fire and gas detection system, gas suppression system, and firefighting equipment. There is also Pearl, which is a Malaysian-owned company which design, develop, and manufacture industrial workgroup. At the end of the trip, we are able to our deepen our insight on the oil and gas industry and learn the importance of oil and gas industry in current era. This trip made us realize how broad the engineering costs and also how important and closely related it is to the oil and gas industry. Thank you from us